Hey film enthusiasts, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into a fascinating concept beyond the trailer. Have you ever watched a movie trailer and felt an overwhelming urge to know what happens next? Well, that's what we are here to explore. Trailers serve as a tantalizing entry into the cinematic world, exposing us to moments of thrill, emotion, and suspense. But they rarely tell us the full story. So why stop at just the trailer? Today, we'll unveil the secrets behind what makes films extraordinary. The narratives that weave together beyond those precious seconds of trailers. Imagine sharing your thoughts with friends about the latest blockbusters and hidden gems while reflecting on what makes these stories truly captivating. The excitement builds as everyone shares their predictions and favorite moments from the trailers they've watched. It's more than just surface-level observation. It's about uncovering the layers of storytelling that keep us engaged long after the credits roll. First, let's discuss the art of trailer making. Did you know that trailers are not just random clips thrown together? They're a carefully crafted representation of the movie's essence. Editors work diligently to choose scenes that capture the audience's interest while keeping them guessing. But once we've seen the trailer, what's next? We'll take you on a journey through various films and discuss what lies beneath the surface. Prepare for insights into character development, unexpected twists, and themes that resonate throughout the film. As we explore these trailers, we will uncover the hidden storytelling techniques that pull audiences in. The rhythm of editing creates a pulse guiding emotions and building suspense. Each selection of scenes is intentional, designed to tease the narrative without revealing too much. From heart-stopping action to moments of profound silence, trailers encapsulate the film's spirit in mere minutes. Join us as we analyze some iconic trailers and discover the secrets behind their success. Next, we're diving into some viewer experiences. We'll talk about some movies whose trailers created one expectation, but the final film delivered something entirely different. How do those discrepancies shape our viewing experience? By going beyond the trailer, we can foster a deeper connection with the film's characters and themes. As anticipation builds, audiences form expectations based on the tantalizing glimpses offered in trailers. But when the film unfolds differently, it can lead to a mix of disappointment or surprise. This shift encourages viewers to explore the deeper narratives that lie within the characters and their arcs. Conversations often turn to what was promised versus what was delivered, prompting deeper analysis. This dialogue can reveal hidden layers in storytelling, allowing audiences to uncover themes and emotions that may have gone unnoticed in the trailer. For some, this discrepancy becomes an invitation to rewatch and reassess the film, seeking understanding in the characters' choices. With each viewing, viewers might find themselves evolving alongside the film, gaining new insights that enrich their connection. And what about those gut-wrenching cliffhangers? We'll address how those twist endings can flip our understanding. As fans, it's vital to appreciate how trailers can lead us to misinterpret significant plot points. But don't worry, we'll guide you along the way, helping you discern what to look for in trailers so you don't feel lost in the cinematic maze. So if you're ready to rethink how you view trailers, hit that like button and subscribe. We want to be part of your film journey while you uncover what lies beyond the trailer. Share your favorite trailer experiences in the comments. We love hearing from you. Let's explore together how trailers are just the tip of the iceberg, and what remarkable narratives await us in the full films. Stick around as we delve deeper into each of these points and prepare to change the way you watch movies forever. Don't just stop at the trailer. Join us in discovering the vast universe that exists just beyond it.